Today I'm going to be reviewing Chronic Wipeout Smoke Odor Eliminating Spray. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This has odor absorbing molecules, and what it's going to do, it's going to attach to that smell and it's going to eliminate. It's important to know that you got to spray this directly onto where the smell is or it won't work. If it doesn't contact it, it's not going to work. If it does contact it, it's absolutely going to work, and they guarantee it. You only need to use this once when you have smoked or anything like that. Now, of course, if you smoke again, then you'll have to reintroduce this to get rid of the smell. It's not going to damage your clothes. It's not going to damage your furniture. You can spray it in your car. You can spray it anywhere, again, directly on wherever the smell is. You can spray it onto yourself. It's not harmful to dogs. It's not harmful to children. It's not harmful to you. And best, this is made in the USA, which I love to see. I used this last night to see if I could trick my wife. Of course, she was a little thrown off with the apple smell, but she did not smell any smoke, so that was good. It does work. This does real well on Amazon. It gets 4.4 stars. And last month, 100 plus of these were bought. Check out some of the other smells that they have. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.